Alright traders, want to start thinking and executing like the big boys? Today, I am giving you one of the most underrated tools in the retail space, but a favorite of institutional players, Volume Profile. This tool shows you exactly where money is flowing, and once you understand it, your entries will stop looking like guesses and start looking like sniper precision. Let's break it down step by step. Especially if you're on a high-row trader challenge and you want high probability entries that protect your capital. Step 1. Add the Fixed Range Volume Profile. Head over to TradingView, click on your indicators, and search Fixed Range Volume Profile. Once added, simply drag it across a price range you want to analyze, maybe a London session, a consolidation zone, or even a recent swing move. What it gives you is beautiful. A histogram showing you where the most volume has been traded within that range. This is gold, because now you're not just trading price, you're trading where volume is concentrated. Round Pushpin Step 2. Focus on the POC, point of control. The POC is that one line sticking out of the histogram, the price level with the most volume traded. This is where institutions are active. It's where price tends to bounce, stall, or react. So, if price pulls back to the POC, and that level also lines up with an order block or fair value gap, boom, that's your sniper zone. Now you're not just entering with a chart pattern, you're aligning with the zones where money is actually sitting. Chart with upward trend. Step 3. Know your volume nodes. Here's the magic. High volume nodes, HVN, represent stability. These zones often act as support, resistance, and price consolidates around them. Low volume nodes, LVN, represent gaps. And guess what? Price moves fast through these zones. That's your momentum area. Electric light bulb pro tip. If price is entering a low volume zone, that's often the beginning of a big move. Place your take profit just before it hits the next high volume node to lock in gains before the stall. Warning sign, now combine it all. Volume profile by itself is powerful. But when you combine it with your normal system, break of structure, fair value gap, volume gap, POC reaction, you've just created a high probability, sniper level entry strategy. At HighRowTrader.com, traders who master this approach don't just chase green candles. They wait, they align confluences, and they execute only when the money is clearly visible. Bar chart tomorrow, I'll take you even deeper. We're going to combine volume profile with order blocks, and the accuracy you'll get is borderline scary.